Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add your friends in Throne and Liberty. Let's walk through the steps so you can start teaming up in no time. Step 1. Open the menu first, launch the game, and head over to the main menu. Step 2. Go to the Community section. Once you're in the menu, navigate to the Community tab. This is where you'll find all the social features. Step 3. Click on Relationships under Community. Select the option called Relationships. This section manages all your social interactions within the game. Step 4. Add a friend in the Relationships menu. Click on Friends. You'll see an option to add friend. Click on that. Enter your friend's username. Send the friend request. You can send and receive up to 20 friend requests at a time, making it easy to connect with multiple players. Step 5. Manage feuds. Optional. Under Relationships, you can also add players as feud targets to receive notifications when they log in. These players will be marked with a red icon in your list. And that's it. You've successfully added your friend to your list in Throne and Liberty. Now you can easily connect and enjoy the game together. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie for more game guides and troubleshooting tips. Catch you in the next video, and happy gaming.